For over 110 years, ASTM International has answered the call for the delivery of the consensus standards used by corporations, government bodies, and consumers around the world. ASTM standards are born out of a unique, open process where the brightest technical and business minds come together to identify dynamic challenges and solve real problems through the power of standardization.
ASTM standards are everywhere. They're the well-crafted documents providing the common language that promotes business communications, facilitates market entry, and helps companies sell their goods and services to purchasers worldwide. They're the specifications that enable architects and designers to identify high-quality steel, concrete, and other materials used in building construction. In the research wing and the scientific laboratory, they define the practices that propel bold innovations into practical commercial solutions. And on the manufacturing floor, ASTM test methods are the cornerstone of the processes that help ensure that the products we buy perform and operate as they're intended. Whether it's supporting the development of alternative energy such as biofuels and solar power, aiding in green building construction, assisting oil spill cleanup, or advancing the global sustainability agenda, ASTM standards are the stewards of a healthier environment.
ASTM standards have really given us almost a leadership role when it comes to adhering to environmental regulations and green rating standards. The legitimacy of the peer review process has really allowed ASTM to take a leadership role in establishing itself as a leader in the green community.
By helping to improve manufacturing processes, lower production costs, and streamline key supply chain functions, ASTM standards enable producers and suppliers to achieve the economies of scale that result in more affordable products. Consumers can be confident knowing that the products they buy are tested to the rigorous science inherent in ASTM standards.
I think one of the ways that ASTM standards helps a corporate marketing strategy is by producing a product to a certain ASTM specification, we can automatically say that that product has met that specification and we can promote that fact. We can be proud of that fact. And it's almost a double dip in that we get the automatic quality and legitimacy of the ASTM brand associated with our products.
ASTM standards are an integral part of corporate growth strategies and a smart investment with proven returns in research and development, product design, quality, manufacturing best practices, supplier relations, and more. With ASTM standards, buyers and sellers worldwide can take advantage of a common language that levels the playing field. ASTM standards are the passports that help companies of all sizes compete in new emerging markets around the world.
There's never been a better time to recognize the value and importance of standards. Industries and companies around the world are in constant motion, and standards deliver a much-needed competitive edge. More than ever, government bodies at home and abroad rely on consensus standards to support critical laws, codes, and regulations. Individuals involved in the ASTM process are driving change, advancing innovation, and moving markets through the development of international consensus standards.
To learn more about the value of ASTM international standards, visit the ASTM website at www.astm.org.